so let's go in. Welcome to Montego Bay, Jamaica. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with living, kitchen and dining room. Of course, there's a balcony, so we're gonna go and see that. Come on in. Let's enter into the living room and the dining room, which is just behind. As you can see, it's an open concept, so everything is just, hey, in your face. You know, a very lovely couch, very comfortable actually. I took a seat not too long ago and it is quite comfortable. You have very high ceilings, which I absolutely love, and a very nice fan above to keep us cool while we're here in Montego Bay. Listen, I'm a tourist in my own country right now. As you guys know, I'm from Kingston. So I'm living it up in Montego Bay and taking you with me. Let's head over into the dining room area. You have table and 4 chairs for you to sit and eat as a family when you come together. And then over into the kitchen, another open concept kitchen. And it has all the basic appliances that are usually in a kitchen, because this is supposed to be a home away from home concept. So you have your fridge, your microwave, your stove. You have lots of cabinetry and countertop space, drawers, storage space, and the works. You have 2 big windows for ventilation. There's a fan above to keep you cool while you're in the kitchen cooking up a storm. You know, there's a bin, you have your sinks, you have a coffee maker, and the works, a kettle, and that. Then over here, let me see, what direction do we go first? And we're gonna enter into one of 2 bedrooms right now. And this is bedroom number 1 with a big king-size bed to fit you and your entire family. And the bedroom is outfitted with a flat screen TV over there. You also have storage space to put all your belongings when you come. This bedroom has its own dedicated bathroom, which is over on this side. You know, with a sink, toilet, and a tub for you to take a bath when you're here. Let's see, put it back. There's also shelving on this side, you know, for you to put your stuff, your body wash and your conditioner, shampoo and all of that when you come, because you know you want to feel homey. You want to take your stuff out of your suitcase or out of your bags and just rest them here. You feel like you're kind of at home. And then we move over into this section, which is a closet. Lots of storage, a whole lot of storage, a whole lot of place for you to put just about everything. If you want to hang, if you want to put on the shelf, you want to fold, you want to put a suitcase in here, you have a whole lot of space for that. And this is bedroom number 1, as I said, and it opens up to the balcony. So you have a sliding door here and with access to the balcony. All right, so let's now move into the other bedroom. And you see we're back in the living, dining and kitchen over there. And then the bedroom is to this section. That door leads you, that's the entrance, exit, so in and out. And the bedroom is here. So as we enter the bedroom, come all the way over. This, you have a queen size bed and chest of drawer, dresser. You have a television here for you to watch. And you also have side table. There's also big windows on the side here for absolutely amazing ventilation, for good ventilation. And there's another window over here, you know, for ventilation as well. This room and both rooms have air conditioning units, so if you're used to the cold, outside get hot, you don't have to worry, AC is here. And I see this TV on the bed. It's gonna replace the small one that's on the wall. So when you come, you'll have a much bigger TV. Over on this side is a bathroom. It also has its own bathroom, sink, toilet, and tub for you to take a bath. And of course, you know, all the rooms are fully stocked with the things you need for the bathroom and the things you need for the house in general. Then over on this side is a closet. It's a sliding door closet, and it has a double mirror, so you get to see yourself as you're getting dressed. And then you can come in here and use the shelf and put your suitcase and all of that for maximum storage. So let's head back out this way, and just ahead of you there is a storage closet to store your brooms and your mops and your miscellaneous things. And as we close this door, there's a standing mirror for you to see yourself on your way out the door, so that's always good. Now let's head out on the balcony. So you do have sliding doors to access the balcony, and let me tell you, Montego Bay is very windy. It's very cool. You do have this beautiful view on the outside, and you have seating on the outside. You're able to come out and, you know, come and chill, especially in the evening time when the sun is not as hot. You get to just be out here and you relax, you look out on the water, you see the boats passing. You know, sometimes there are party boats and persons stop by and say hey, so you have that, and you can even hop on some if you choose. And then we go back onto the balcony over here for you to relax when it's hotter and you want some shade, so that's good. But though it's so windy, it's so nice, and the view is just stunning. I can't even express how awesome this looks. By the way guys, let me just remind you about the Ministry of Education's Own Your Own Device program, where they are giving eligible students a $20,000 Jamaican dollars voucher towards the purchase of a tablet. So you essentially will be owning your own device. The requirements to qualify for this is that the parent of the child should have a valid TRN, which is a tax registration number. The student should have a valid SRN, student registration number. The parent that is applying, their annual income should not surpass 500,000 Jamaican dollars. The child should not be a path beneficiary, and it's one application per household. Once you meet all those requirements, then go to the website oyod.educate.gov.jm. You apply there, and once you're accepted, you'll receive the $20,000 voucher towards the purchase of a tablet. Now, that voucher can only be redeemed at specific locations. One of those locations is Smart Mobile Solutions, SMS, and they're located at 12 Ruthven Road in Kingston, Jamaica. If you want a discount on a tablet, I implore you to go and check out SMS at their location in Kingston, and just tell them that Rochielin sent you, and you will receive a discount. So let me reiterate, go on the ministry's website, sign up for the $20,000 voucher. As long as you're eligible, you will receive it. Once you receive it, head to SMS Smart Mobile Solutions at their Ruthven Road location. Tell them Rochielin sent you, and you will be given a discount on the purchase of your tablet. I'm looking out for you, so just go and do what you need to do, alright? So let's get back into the video. Alright, so let's go back on the inside. And that's pretty much it. You've seen everything now, and as I mentioned before, this apartment is located in the community called the Lagoons. It's an upscale community here in Montego Bay. It has 24-hour security, it has a gym, it has pools, There are recreational areas for you to go outside and enjoy family time. It also has 2 tennis courts for all the tennis lovers out there. It has a football field for all the football lovers out there. It has a play area for the kids with the swing and the slides, and it's a beautiful area. It's a beautiful community. Now this is on the market for both short-term or long-term rentals. If you are interested, it is $268 US per night for short-term rentals, or it is $3,000 US per month for longer-term rentals. Now you can rent it up to 6 months or as long as you choose. $268 per night, $3,000 per month. The contact details for the owner is gonna be listed in the description bar below. So if you are interested and you want somewhere comfortable, secure, feels like home here in Jamaica while you're on vacation, then this may be the perfect place for you. Contact the owners and tell them Rochielin sent you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember to like, leave a comment below, let me know your thoughts on this unit, and let me know your thoughts, what else you'd like to see. You know, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, and send it to a friend who you know may be on the way to Jamaica, thinking of coming to Jamaica, is in Jamaica, and needs a place to stay in Montego Bay, Jamaica. All right, I'll see you in the next one.